Okay, two sila Arlene, two sila...
So I just press start.
Sila Christine.
Where the hell do I press
Ready?
start?
I'll go next. Okay, press the okay button.
Ready?
Ready? Go!
Seiko. Sasquare.
Relo, mga relo.
Yeah.
Mga pangalan ng relo.
Yes.
There you go.
Ah,
Good.
Galing.
English.
Shower. Toilet.
That's okay. Mga bagay na nasa...
Pass. Oh wait, I can't pass. No, you can
he
say
can
pass.
pass. He has to
Pass.
pass.
That was an easy one though. Get out of here! Go!
Towel.
1, 2,
Food,
3.
cereal, ice cream.
Mga gamit
Okay.
na papel.
No, ice cream. Food, pork chops.
Mga binibili sa mga supermarket.
There you go!
Galing.
PlayStation, TV,
Okay.
Mga
custom.
mga gamit,
You use that so you don't have to go there.
mga gamit na pwede ka mag-online.
You don't have to go there. You use it when you sit down.
Walang kamay. Words lang, words lang.
Take the turn on TV.
Remote control.
When you're taking a shower.
1 minute.
When you take a shower, when you're cleaning the dishes.
Your hands.
You got this,
when
man.
you're cleaning your hands.
Mga sabon.
So yes, but before the soap, what do you do with the hands?
Binabasa kamay muna.
Yes. Sort of. Just
Sige pa.
when you wash the dishes.
Buksan
When you
yung
clean
sink.
the floor. Basahan. Ano ginagawa mo sa basahan?
Binabasa.
What do you do with that?
30 seconds.
Mga bagay na ginagamit pag pinupunasan ng problema.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Basa.
20 seconds.
Ano yung binabasa?
20 seconds. Makikita.
Paper towel. Basahan.
10 seconds. 9,
Bagay na tuyo.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.